Good afternoon, Pyros. Will Jesus One bringing you another unboxing video. Firework stash update from Overstock Central Fireworks.com and OCFireworks.com. Like and subscribe to their Facebook page. There you can get good coupon codes, updates, when new items in stock, and shipping. They still shipping. And you also will help these guys out with work during this COVID-19 crisis. So put in some orders from OCFireworks.com and OverstockCentralFireworks.com. But here you go. Another fireworks stash. First up, SWAT team. Case of 4-1. OCFireworks.com, OverstockCentral.com. Shot, SWAT team. Performance. Barcode by Dominator. Not too familiar with the Dominator products, but that's the performance. 500 grams. Four of these added to the 500 gram stash. Next up, Bitch and Camaro. Not too familiar with these, but I will be this year. Got quite a few 500 grammers, man. 20 shot, Dominator. Performance. Stash just getting bigger and bigger. Four of those. Next up, Thrasher, 9 shot. Check these out. Check the videos out. Pretty good cake. Mad Ox. Check the video out. Barcode. 500 grams. Performance. Hey, look this up. Came in the case of 6-1. All these cakes, man. OCFireworks.com. some ninja shells. 6 pieces. Ninja shells. Got 2 boxes of these. Got some Great Grizzly products. Great Grizzly. Not too familiar with them. Artillery shells. Check them out. 6 pieces in the box. Box of American Chief. Y'all familiar with those? Devil's Fury, 9-shot, 500-gram cake by Dominator. Performance. Nice cake, man. I seen the video on this. Look it up on OC or YouTube, whatever. Nice cake. Devil's Fury. Pro Strokes, 3-pack. Red, white, and guess that's green. Or maybe some kind of blue. Pro Stroke, big, heavy. Check them out. Freeze. Got 2 boxes of these Nashiki Blast, 5-inch by Raccoon. Know what they do. Go always buy these to the full. Alright. Last. Sky Thunder, artillery shells, 424, 96 shells, Thunder in the Sky. This is the new brand I was telling you about. It's new to OC Fireworks for 2020. Check this brand out. Check the videos out. Man, this stash just, whew. Smell the firework. 4 of these, 24 in a pack. Five-inch shells. Nice. Thunder in the Sky. Look them up. Truly the biggest and best and loudest, the maximum loud by law. got these in the mail. My igniter clips from Cobra. Quick fuse. I ordered these almost 2 months ago and just not getting them today. But I let them slide because we got a crisis going on in the world. Got 50 of these. And also picked up a case of death shells. Not familiar what year these is. But hey, it don't matter. They go bust. There you have it. Updated firework stash.
Lounge, lead pipe, orchid. If you have one of those three. Lounge, lead pipe, orchid.
The dog really just walked on water. Look, the dog just walked on water.
We up.